7.0 quake strikes northern coast. A powerful 7.0 magnitude earthquake has sent tremors the northern Venezuelan coast. The United States Geological Survey recorded the earthquake in the coastal town of Iripa, and tremors were felt 286 miles, 622 km, away in the capital of Caracas. The quake, which was centered near the town of Guiria, was felt as far away as the capital, Caracas, where it shook buildings. Witnesses said, the first reports on the USGS intensity map show that damage can be sustained and with strong shaking. The population of this region lives in areas where structures are vulnerable to earthquake shaking. According to the USGS, the most vulnerable buildings are the types that have unreinforced brick and wood construction. There are no current tsunami advisories at the present time. However, secondary effects such as tsunamis and landslides have occurred in the past.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.